welcome. You're watching the national debate. I'm Padmaja Joshi. Right at the outset, I would like to thank all of our viewers and our panelists who've been a part of the national debate family, because week on week, the national debate has your trust, clocking up more than 50% of the viewership in the weekend. So thank you very much on that. But talking about what has happened in the last week. It's been an extremely busy week for the central agencies, the ED, the IT, and the CBI. And they have been pretty even-handed in who they have dealt with, because it's not just the DMK, it's been the Congress, the RJD, even the BRS in Telangana, but perhaps the one party which has gained maximum eyeballs, it is the Aam Aadmi Party, because of the arrest of Sanjay Singh, the third big name to go to jail in the same case. Vijay Nair, Manish Sisodia, and now Member of Parliament in the Rajya Sabha, Sanjay Singh. The question being asked is this Raid Raj being used to dismantle IDI? Is this a Break India probe, a fishing investigation? Or is this the chickens coming home to roost? Because many of these investigations have been demanded by the same parties who are a part of Team INDIA. Can you then call it a witch hunt if you yourself demanded this crackdown? Joining us on today's national debate, RP Singh, national spokesperson of the BJP, author Karan Verma, Dr. Naval Kishore, national spokesperson of the RJD, lawyer Kapil Madan, Sanjeev Kaushik, political analyst, and we have senior journalist Ashutosh, who I want to start with. Ashutosh ji, can actual evidence, because a lot of times when such a crackdown happens, people get into rhetoric saying, oh, this is, ED Raj, washing machine, etc. Let's talk about evidence and let's talk about specifics. We're talking about Sanjay Singh, who has been arrested. Now the Enforcement Directorate is saying very clearly 2 crore rupees has been given to him. His aide has been given shares, and we have got a money trail. How can this be called a witch hunt?
These are the accusation and the allegations made by the agencies. And the court charge sheet has yet to be filed, the charges has yet to be framed, and the proper trial has to start. And only then, if court decides that there are enough proofs, conviction should happen, only then we can say that he's a criminal or he's not a criminal. The issue is, for the last more than a year, BJP and the agencies has been saying it time and again that there is enough proof against the Manish Sisodia. In the Supreme Court, Justice Khanna asked, where is the proof? Now, you have put somebody in jail for more than 6 months and you don't have a proof in Supreme Court. And unfortunately, from the lower court to the high court, he's not getting bail.
Exactly. So the courts thought there was enough proof to not give him bail.
I hope and I believe that we should think that whether the Supreme Court is superior or the High Court is superior, the lower court is superior. And the Supreme Court has been agonizingly saying many times that the lower courts are scared to give bail. This is not by court. This is an observation made by Supreme Court that lower courts are scared to give bail. In this country, where the bail should be the rule and the jail should be the exception, today the bail is basically nowhere. Out of 100, you get one or two.
Just a second. We are presuming innocence based on a few observations that have been made by the Supreme Court in the case of Manish Sisodia. But when Sanjay Singh has actually been sent into 5 days of custody by a lower court, we are questioning that. So if we are holding the court's word to be gospel and the Supreme Court's observations are taken as a sign of innocence, then a court sending Sanjay Singh to custody should be taken as a sign of guilt.
I think let's not put our whole judicial system on its head. Our judicial system is based on the premise that unless one is convicted, the presumption of innocence is supreme. So why we are jumping to the conclusion, let the court decide.
Sir, with the greatest of respect, sometimes even after conviction, some people are called innocent. For example, Laluji. Laluji has been convicted, but he's still called innocent. Still the case against him is called a witch hunt.
That is the ultimate truth.
How?
And it is there in the public image.
But we are supposed to consider somebody innocent until proven guilty. He's been proven guilty.
No, he has not.
He has been convicted in the further case.
By the lower court. He-
So what?
No, in the same case, DA case you see, when Laluji moved to Supreme Court, he was given free.
Not in the
Yes,
same case.
in
Not
DA
in the
case,
same
DA case.
So separate case.
Yeah,
no,
again.
sir? ये आप है, you can't be
नहीं
choosing.
सेपरेट आप सुन लीजिए सेपरेट केस में भी अभी एक पांचवा है सर सुन लीजिए पहले पांचवा जो केस है उसमें अभी सजा इसलिए नहीं दिया देखिए 9 साल में 9.5 साल में ये पीछा करते करते और बिहार की राजनीति को देखेंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा जिस लालू परिवार को कह रहे थे कि 8,000 करोड़ का घोटाला है 6 करोड़ पर आ गया अभी तक गुड़गांव का मॉल किसका है अभी तक बताया नहीं गया देखिए ये सब जो है ना एकदम विसेंट पॉलिटिकल फाइट है विसेंट भी नहीं है क्लियर पॉलिटिकल फाइट विद रूलिंग पार्टी एंड ऑपोजिशन और अब पूरे गली में ये मोहल्ले में हल्ला है जुल्मी जब तक जुल्म करेगा सत्ता के गलियारों से इनकलाब के नारे लगेंगे चारों तरफ ये चल गया
ये आपने थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई कर दिया
नहीं मॉडिफाई इसलिए किया है कि आपको समझ में आए कि
ये तो राइम नहीं किया
चल चुका है
नहीं ये आपके नारे चल चुके होंगे बट फैक्ट स्पीक अदरवाइज आई अगेन वांट टू गो बैक अगेन वांट टू गो बैक to the matter of Sanjay Singh. Let's just show to you because again when we are talking about where is the evidence based on what the Supreme Court has said even today the Delhi Chief Minister said केस ही नहीं है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोल दिया पूरा लिकर गेट बकवास है कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें लेट्स लुक एट सम स्पेसिफिक्स दैट हैव बीन पुट आउट बाय द एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट vis-a-vis Mr. Sanjay Singh and what they claim and you're right now it's at the stage of a claim made by the enforcement directorate they have to prove it let's show you what is the evidence that has been put on record about 2 crores which allegedly was received as kickback by Sanjay Singh member of parliament of Aam Aadmi Party here is how the first 1 crore reached him according to the enforcement directorate the man who has now turned approver and these are not just the ED's claims they are basing it on the statement made by this man Dinesh Arora who is a restaurateur in Delhi has now turned an approver from earlier being an accused Dinesh Arora says that in 2021 he collected 3 crore rupees from Sameer Mahendru a businessman in Delhi from this 1 crore rupee was given to Sarvesh Mishra who is an aide of Sanjay Singh all of this is mentioned in the remand note. Sarvesh Mishra, by the way, has also been questioned by the Enforcement Directorate on Friday along with 2 other people. So Dinesh Arora takes 3 crore rupees. Of this, 1 crore rupee is given to Sarvesh Mishra. The ED also says that after this, a phone call was made by Dinesh Arora to Sanjay Singh saying, I have delivered the 1 crore rupees. Sanjay Singh said, yes, I know. Vijay Nair has already spoken to me. So this transaction of 1 crore rupees was done on the instructions of Vijay Nair and the ED claims that there are call data records to prove the location of Dinesh Arora and the subsequent phone calls that were done. This is the first 1 crore rupees that was given. Ashutosh ji wants to react. Yes.
I just want to remind your viewers that in Savarkar case, there was an approver. And he said that Savarkar is involved in the conspiracy. You know why the court gave him clean chit with the BJP and the RSS claim? Because the court said there is no corroborative evidence. There has to be confirmation. Once the approval...
They are saying that there's a call data record.
No. Let me complete. Call data record. Is there any conversation recorded? You can say that I was there. But where is the proof that I received bribe and I had given bribe? Is there any proof? Is there any picture? The entire case is based on one person who has turned approver and the case says that he has been tortured. 3rd degree was applied on him.
Okay.
So you can
but
take
no
anybody's
medical test has ever proven that he was tortured. Because
that's
medical
why,
test is regularly
that's why
done
the Manish, that's why Supreme Court is
arrested.
asking where is the proof.
Okay.
And it is the biggest headline today everywhere. You are victimizing people, you are witch hunting people for political reasons.
Okay.
And in the court of law, you don't have a proof.
Okay. So
and
let's
the
take
ASG was fumbling.
Okay, so let's take this one by one. RP Singh, the man is only an approver. And in the other case that we are talking about, Manish Sisodia and Liquorgate, the Supreme Court also said on Thursday, why should we believe Dinesh Arora, who has turned approver? Why should we believe him?
Okay, let's not believe Dinesh Arora at all. Let me go by what Ashutosh is saying and let's play devil's advocate. Would you believe Vivek Tyagi or not? Who's Vivek Tyagi? एक गरीब सा दोस्त है मेरा, एक गरीब सा मेरा साथी है. I mean, this not me, Sanjay Singh on a video clip which is there circulating on the WhatsApp social media now. एक गरीब से लड़के को मोदी जी ने पकड़ लिया. मुझे पकड़ कर दिखाओ, मुझे पकड़ कर दिखाओ तो मैं बताऊं. वो गरीब लड़का कौन है? विवेक त्यागी. He is a partner in one of the companies of Amit Arora. One of the hospitality companies of Mr. Amit Arora. And why he has been given shareholding in that? Because he is the associate of Mr. Sanjay Singh. And the company has played a role. And money has, and wait for time, all this will come. The money has transacted hands in that company or not. If I rightly remember, some Australia hospitalities. If that's the name.
Aralia. So
sir.
since you've mentioned it, and
Yeah,
because it's a technical case and we don't want to engage in rhetoric, let me show you two more pieces of information. First, let's show you the three people who have been questioned by Enforcement Directorate, including this Mr. Tyagi, and then we'll show you what are these shares that Mr. RP Singh is talking about, and we'll open this up to all of our guests. All right. So first, let's show you the three people who have so far been questioned by the Enforcement Directorate on Friday. The first person is the one that we were just talking about. This man you can see in the picture with Sanjay Singh is Vivek Tyagi. Vivek Tyagi is his parliament assistant of Sanjay Singh. So he is a member of parliament of the Rajya Sabha. Vivek Tyagi is his assistant in the Rajya Sabha. He got stakes in Amit Arora's business. He actually has shares there. And the second person questioned is Sarvesh Mishra, who is again an aide of Sanjay Singh. He met with Dinesh Arora at Sanjay Singh's residence. He allegedly facilitated the money transfer. Both times, the money was delivered to Sarvesh Mishra. He also has been questioned on Friday. And the third is Kamarveer Singh, who is Dinesh Arora's partner and aide, and was introduced to Sanjay Singh by Dinesh Arora. He also acts as a medium. Now let's come to the main story about the transfer of shares. We've talked about how the money changed hands. How did the shares get transferred? So this is what the Enforcement Directorate is claiming at present. Let's go to that graphic where we are talking about the transfer of shares to Vivek Tyagi. So Sanjay Singh, that's what the ED is claiming. Sanjay Singh assured that there would be a change in the proposed liquor policy for Delhi. In return, Mr. Tyagi was given stakes in Amit Arora's business. All of this is actually mentioned in detail over here. Associate team member of Shri Sanjay Singh, Vivek Tyagi, was given stakes in the business concern of Amit Arora, MS Aralia's Hospitality. Vivek Tyagi has been closely associated with Sanjay Singh for the last 10 years. Following underlying documents were prepared during this conspiracy and have been retrieved during the investigation. An unsigned MOU, appointment of director, 2 securities transfer form which have Kamarveer Singh and the signs of Dinesh Arora and Vivek Kumar Tyagi. So now let me bring in the supporter of the Aam Aadmi Party, Sanjeev Kaushik. यहाँ तो साफ साफ लिखा हुआ है, चलिए पैसा आप मत मानिए, पैसे में कॉल डेटा रिकॉर्ड भी मत मानिए, क्योंकि पैसा तो कैश में दिया गया था. यहाँ तो साफ साफ है कि भाई.
अच्छा, मैं एक बात जोड़ दूं, सॉरी, जोड़ी सर. ये कॉल डेटा रिकॉर्ड तक नहीं है मामला. जो बोलना है समझकर बोलना कि इसके आगे भी है. बड़ी ध्यान रखना बात का.
आपने बड़ी ओमिनस सी बात कह दी है.
बिल्कुल मैं कह रहा, बिल्कुल डरा नहीं रहा. जैसे मैंने विवेक त्यागी का मामला बताया, अभी आप बोलेंगे उसका मैं वो भी खुलासा कर दूंगा.
संजीव जी तो डर ही गए थोड़ा सा.
अरे दोस्त आपने
let him first respond to Vivek Tyagi.
सच पे ही टेके रहने इसलिए का.
Let him respond to Vivek Tyagi. Here you've got in black and white shares that have been transferred to a man who so far is the parliament assistant of Sanjay Singh. विवेक त्यागी ने कौन सा बिजनेस किया है, क्यों अचानक से ये लिकर बिजनेस वाले कंपनी में उनको शेयर्स दिए गए हैं, इसका क्या एक्सप्लेनेशन है? और ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं, उसमें उनके सिग्नेचर हैं, बताइए.
देखिए पतंजा, कानूनी मसले पे तो कोर्ट में जो जवाब देना है आम आदमी पार्टी जवाब देगी और उसका कैसे वो करती है जवाब देती है. लेकिन मूल बात यह है कि एक मैसेज तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दे ही दिया कि जो लोग सत्ता से सवाल करेंगे, आंखों में आंखें डाल के करेंगे, उसका हश्र यही होगा.
कमाल है,
अभी
पूरी रामायण सुना दी आपने.
मैं उसी पे आ रहा हूँ मैं उसी पे आ रहा हूँ उसका हश्र यही होगा. कोर्ट ने क्या पूछा कल, अभी सबूत तक आप नहीं जमा कर पाए.
दो अलग अलग मामले,
दो अलग
मामले कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, कंफ्यूज नहीं कर रहे.
कोर्ट ने ऑब्जर्व किया है मनीष सिसोदिया की बेल प्ली पे. ये एविडेंस है संजय सिंह की सुनवाई पे, जिसमें संजय सिंह को बेल नहीं दी गई, छोड़ा नहीं गया, उनको कस्टडी में भेजा गया.
हम किस घपले की बात कर रहे हैं, किस घोटाले की बात कर रहे हैं? कहीं कोई रकम दिखाई दे रहा है, कहीं कोई रकम पकड़ में आया, ईडी ने कोई रकम पकड़ ली है?
मैं आपको बता रही हूँ ना, यहाँ डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं,
हाँ।
शेयर्स के डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं यहाँ पे।
ठीक है, वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, ये जमा करें ना।
उनको दे
मैं
दिया
बार बार
ऐसे।
नहीं, मैं बार बार एक बात कह रहा
वो
हूँ,
जमा हो गए, वो सुन लीजिए,
एक मिनट बड़ी आसानी से
साहब बैठे क्विक प्रो चाहिए होते ना,
सिंह साहब, बड़ी
इससे बड़ा
आसानी
quid
से
pro
ये
क्या
बात
सकता है?
बड़ी आसानी से ये बात कह दी जा रही है कि यदि आप पाक साफ है तो जाएंगे और वापस चले आएंगे। अभी मैं पद्मजा के ऊपर एक आरोप लगाता हूं कि 10 लाख रुपए का घपला किया इन्होंने, मैं उसमें गवाह बन जाता हूं, ये 3 साल तक के लिए, 3 महीने के लिए हंसते हंसते मुस्कुराते जेल जाए, फिर पाक साफ रहेंगे, वापस
इनके
आएंगे,
किसी
वापस आएंगे,
एम्प्लॉय को
वापस आएंगे, लेकिन तब तक इनकी दुनिया बदल चुकी होगी।
किसी एम्प्लॉय को शेयर भी तो मिलनी चाहिए,
ये
स्वेट इक्विटी मिलनी
इनकी नौकरी छूट चुकी होगी, ये रोड
अरे
पे आ
सर,
चुकी होंगी,
बिल्कुल, अगर
ये
आप
आरोपी
क्विड
बन
प्रो
चुकी होंगी,
को,
भ्रष्टाचारी हो
अगर आप
चुकी होंगी।
क्विड प्रो को प्रूव करेंगे तो बिल्कुल मेरे को जेल
सब
में
कुछ
जाना
कहानी
चाहिए।
खत्म हो चुकी है।
अरे सब मेरा ही क्यों एग्जांपल दे रहे हैं भाई, आप करण वर्मा का एग्जांपल दीजिए, मेरी नौकरी क्यों ले रहे हैं? ये तो म्यूचुअल धमकी सेक्शन
नहीं,
चल रहा है।
मूल बात
बट
ये-
दैट बीइंग सेड, ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, आप क्विड प्रो को अगर प्रूव करेंगे, जैसा यहाँ पे प्रूव्ड है, और अगर ये प्रूव हो जाएगा कि आपने 5 करोड़ मेरे को दिए और उस वक्त आप मेरे ही घर पे थे, कॉल डेटा रिकॉर्ड भी है, सिग्नेचर है, तो फिर तो वो एविडेंस होगा ना।
मैं बार बार कह रहा हूं कि जिस तरह से इससे पहले ईडी ने छापे मारे और ईडी ने जिस तरह की कार्रवाई की, जितने लोगों को गिरफ्तार की, उससे थोड़ा सा लीक हट के हम उम्मीद ये रख रहे थे कि परसों यदि वो संजय सिंह को गिरफ्तार कर रही है तो कुछ बताती कि आखिर मिला क्या वहां पे, लेकिन कुछ मिला नहीं, ईडी ने कुछ
अभी
कहा
तो
नहीं।
मैंने बताया,
मैं वही
ईडी के
बता रहा हूं,
रिमांड
मैं
में
वही
सब
बता
लिखा है,
मैं
क्या
वही बता
मिला?
रहा हूं, ये सारी बातें बताएंगे आरपी सिंह, मिला क्या,
अरे ये ईडी
वो
ने
जमा क्या हुआ,
नोट में
अरे सर,
कौन तरह की बात हुई,
देखिए,
थोड़ा
स्टेटमेंट क्या
लिख
है,
कर
ये सारी
करो।
बातें
सर देखिए ना,
बताएंगे।
ये
थोड़ा पढ़ करो।
आपको भी जानकारी आएगी इन्हीं के
होल्ड ऑन अ
माध्यम से।
सेकंड, होता ये है दैट अब जमाना बदल गया, ये सुखराम जी का जमाना नहीं है, कपिल मदान वुड नो बेटर अबाउट सुखराम जी, कि अब जहां मैट्रेस में आप गड्डियां रखते हैं, अब सोफिस्टिकेटेड हो गया है, अब हवाला से पैसा जाता है, इलेक्शन फंडिंग में खर्च हो जाता है, वो
पकड़ में ही नहीं आता है।
हाँ बिल्कुल, जैसे कि नीतीश जी ने आपको ज्वाइन कर लिया, आपको पता है 6 अक्टूबर एग्जैक्टली 11 साल पहले, आज ही के दिन 6 अक्टूबर को नीतीश जी ने पूर्णिया में एक रैली की थी। इन दैट रैली ही सेड कि अगर बिहार को किसी ने बर्बाद किया है तो वो लालू जी और राबड़ी जी की जोड़ी ने है, सारा पैसा खाकर अपने घर में रख लिया और बिहार के युवा का बंटा धार कर दिया। आज ही के दिन 6 अक्टूबर को बोला था।
1 साल पहले अगस्त 2022 में उन्होंने फिर कहा, जो कि लेटेस्ट है,
उन्होंने
कि
कहा
पूरे देश को बर्बाद अगर किया है तो 2 लोगों ने मिलकर बर्बाद किया है, और बराबर झूठ बोलते हैं।
चलिए ठीक है, कर दिया, मान ली उनकी बात, मान ली उनकी बात,
नीतीश बाबू झूठ बोलते हैं।
मान लिया।
नहीं,
आपने
अभी-
कहा बराबर झूठ
अभी-
बोलते हैं।
अभी बताया ना उन्होंने, बताया कि क्यों बोला था।
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं प्रोफेसर साहब, मान ली नीतीश जी की, चलिए मोदी जी और अमित शाह ने बर्बाद कर दिया देश को, तो अगर आप नीतीश जी की बात मान रहे हैं, यानी कि लालू जी और राबड़ी जी ने बर्बाद किया है ना बिहार को करप्शन से।
नहीं,
नीतीश जी ने बोला।
नहीं, अरे जब किसके संगत में थे उसका असर था ना।
अच्छा
अब
वैसे-
उसका असर।
अच्छा ठीक
और
है,
वो बोल भी चुके हैं इस बात को कि 2017 में जो गलती हुई है उसका कारण भाजपा थी।
okay, now let's turn to a more serious thing. Karan Verma, we have quoted a number of things from what the Sanjay Singh matter is. I want to now broad base this. What did the Supreme Court say in terms of how investigations are done? They said that your claims are going to fall flat after 2 questions in the cross examination. Where is the evidence? Dinesh Arora himself is the recipient. Except for the statement of Dinesh Arora, is there any evidence? The larger point that I want to make is this. The trend right now is, पहले ईडी का केस करो, फिर सीबीआई का केस करो, एक में बेल मिलती है, आप दूसरा पकड़ लेता है, एंड द प्रोसेस बिकम्स द पनिशमेंट. लाइक ऑल द पीपल वर वेरी काइंडली सेइंग अबाउट मी, आई एम इन जेल for 7 months. My life is destroyed. Then I can keep fighting. Who cares?
So each and every step of the process, Padmaja, has been validated by the court. Yesterday, when Sanjay Singh was there, Justice Nagpal said, sustained and custodial interrogation appears to be necessary. So when Ashutosh ji was saying that they don't have evidence, to ensure that there is smoking gun evidence and to ensure a conviction, his custodial interrogation is necessary. Where is the scope for crying victim? In Manish Sisodia's case, what did Judge Nagpal in the CBI court in March while denying bail say? He said Manish Sisodia played the most important and vital role in the criminal conspiracy. He seems to be the principal architect of this conspiracy. So can you blame the ED when the court itself is saying that you seem to be the principal architect? Why was Satyendra Jain denied the bail? Each and every time there has been a court finding, there has been a court order, an observation which has always stated that yes, prima facie they seem to be guilty and there needs to be an interrogation. Padmaja, it is very easy to cast aspersions on ED and say establish a money trail. Money trails are not established so easily. Today, if Manish Sisodia is out, he can affect the chain of events. It is important that he is in custodial interrogation. Earlier, they used to deny that there was no liquor scam. Today, even they have to admit that there was a loss to the exchequer. Why did they disobey every recommendation of the Dhawan Rai committee? Why did they have to take back the excise policy? In their own cabinet note, Arvind Kejriwal's cabinet note, he said during the Q1, 1,485 crore was realized, which is 37.5% below the estimate. So this policy has to be scrapped. So this is corruption that has happened, loss to the exchequer that has happened. What is the definition of corruption? To tweak a policy to help a select few in exchange of quid pro quo. Which is the quid pro quo? The shares given to Sanjay Singh's aide. I think this is a clear case of corruption requiring greater interrogation, and for that they have to be in custody.
Okay, Kapil Madan, sir, because he hasn't spoken.
Kapil will answer also. Kapil, have you ever heard in any business transaction where L1 comes in, his money is returned because he is not able to fulfill the conditions?
30 crores.
Never. Have you ever heard it in
So
any
let's
context?
not go into the liquor policy, because that again needs explanation very specifically. Let's talk about where things are right now vis-a-vis the liquor gate scam, and I also want to broad base it to how there are other cases. There is a land for jobs, there is the DMK case, there is the BRS case. Respond to what Karan Verma has said.
Yes, I'll
the
make
simple
three.
point being made, all the people right now, Vijay Nair denied bail, Satyendra Jain denied bail, Manish Sisodia denied bail. Manish Sisodia is now 8 months in jail, still not given bail, and now Sanjay Singh. Kapil Madan.
Now I'll make 3 quick points, Padmaja. First is that you may recall recently charge sheet was filed by CBI, and in that charge sheet name of Sanjay Singh, was mentioned by mistake. And they did, and they admitted. No, they admitted.
Sir, you
Sir,
are a
no,
lawyer.
let me.
You are a lawyer. You should come with half facts.
No. There was a mistake. There is a mistake. It
In
is
one
reported.
place.
Yes, at one place. Yes, there was a
Why
mistake.
did you say this earlier?
Yes, no. Now, Mr.
In 3
Singh,
other places?
allow me to make
Okay,
my
so
point.
let's
Now,
just
a
make
premier
this factually
investigating
clear.
agency.
No, hold on a second. Now you cannot jump to the next point
doing
without
this kind of an
clarifying
error,
this. No, Kapil Madan. Hold on a second. Let's just clarify this point. This was said very explicitly. The ED actually released a statement saying Sanjay Singh's name has been mentioned in 4 places, and in one place it is by error, typo error.
Yes.
That is what they said. But let him finish, sir. I'll come to you. Yes.
Now, my second.
But his name is there in 3 other places.
No.
Yes.
My second point is now Sanjay Singh has been arrested on the basis of the statement given by an approver. If you read the law, the statement of an approver is always taken, with suspicion. My third point is Vijay Nair is already in custody long. If there was a nexus, if there was an evidence that, Vijay Nair sent money to them, so why didn't the CBI could not unearth, this link while Vijay Nair was still in custody? In the CBI charge sheet, there is no such allegation. Now, I find it completely amusing that suddenly a person comes, changes the statement, gets a pardon from the court, and you want to, pass an order of conviction on the basis of the statement of an approver.
Not only on the basis of that.
Now allow me to make my point.
On the basis of evidence put on record. That's what was said by the court
what is the
yesterday.
evidence? Now, what are the allegations? One allegation is that some money was delivered to Sanjay Singh. Where did that money go?
Answer about the shares.
Where?
In the Goa election campaign and the Delhi election campaign.
Now, Padmaja, if someone is spending in campaign, then also you need to find the trail where the money eventually ended up.
Sanjay Singh's aide getting shares in Amit Arora.
Now, allow me to make my point.
It is a clear quid pro quo, Kapil.
Now,
please answer on that.
Now, there are 2 different things. One, you want to talk about shares being given to someone.
Yes.
The similar allegations were made in a 2G case, wherein there was an allegation that 200 crore rupees gaye, share transfer hue.
Padmaja, this is what about?
No, this is not
Answer on the specific.
All I am saying is
this quid pro quo or not?
Now, Karan,
Is this quid pro quo or not? Tell me this.
Karan, I think everyone on, this panel would have some investment in some shares, some mutual funds. And
I don't.
Oh my God.
I don't.
Oh my God.
You become a business partner. What are the odds of becoming a business partner with the accused?
Whether this was a genuine transaction, whether this was a bona fide
He's a partner. He's being given
Okay, hold on a
shares in his company.
second. Before
And he's the
everyone jumps
accused.
in,
What are the odds, Kapil?
I want to make just one point. So far the counter arguments that have been given are, मुझे ये legit नहीं लगता. Where is the money? Dinesh Arora could be lying. Sure, he could. But That will be proven in the course of the investigation. How are we giving a certificate of innocence and calling it a witch hunt before all of this has happened, Ashutosh ji? That is the point.
Custodial interrogation should be done.
Okay, let RP Singh make 30 seconds of
I'll
point.
make a point. Ashutosh.
3 points.
Please, Ashutosh, give me a second because I request.
30 seconds, yes.
Who will give you equity in company?
Exactly.
And then that too with almost 20% stakeholding. Who will give you that equity? Give me a second. If you have no background, if I have no background in the subject, I don't know the subject, and the timing also matches. So I mean, don't give me. Don't be so. Don't act like that. No.
Let's not.
Okay, Ashutosh. Okay,
Three things,
Ashutosh,
three
let him
things.
rebut, yes.
It has been said that in ED charge sheet, Sanjay Singh's name was mentioned at four places. Was it mentioned as an accused?
No, it was mentioned as his involvement in formation of liquor policy.
Let me. Is he being presented there as an accused or as a witness?
No, he is being mentioned.
I'm
as
asking
his-
RP Singh.
Okay.
His name was there in the charge sheet. There's no doubt about it. But is he being accused of some wrongdoing? No.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
And that's why
Now
the
he
third
is.
one. No.
So hold on a second, sir. Hold on a second, sir.
Padmaja, let me come. Padmaja, I'm very unfair. Very unfair.
Okay.
No, I'm very unfair. The point is, if somebody's name is there in the charge sheet, is he as an accused or a witness? Now, it is being projected that his name is mentioned 4 times in the charge sheet. And that is why he's a criminal and he should be.
No.
Point number 2. RP Singh, I have to make a point. I have to make a
Yes.
point. I have to make a point. Let me. Then, what the court has said, Supreme Court, again, I'll go back to that. But before that, let me read the order which the court has given in the month of August this month on the ED Dinesh Arora. Paragraph number 13. However, it is now admitted by the ED that even the above disclosures and revelation stand made by the applicant in the statement made US 50 of the PMLA as well as section 164 CRPC after his arrest in the case, and it is also being claimed that the same has been made voluntarily. Though the investigating agencies have tried to play smart. Mark this one. The court has said, though the investigating agencies had tried to play smart in not specifically mention that the department has no objection or is not opposing the grant of bail to the applicant. This is about Dinesh Arora. The court is saying the investigating agencies is playing smart. When asked whether you want to oppose the bail or you don't want to oppose the bail, ED was evasive.
Fair.
Why so? And before
But the
that,
court is also denying bail
before
to
that-
Manish Sisodia for the last 8 months.
Let me complete.
The court is also calling him principal architect.
You all have a right to ask questions. Let me complete. Before that, in ED, he's been pardoned by the court. Again, he's arrested by the ED. मारपीट किया आपने, मारपीट करने के बाद आपने कबूलवा दिया. तीसरी चीज. Third thing is, and again I'll go back to the Manish Sisodia thing. In Manish Sisodia thing, this is not the one observation which I says. Justice Khanna says Manish Sisodia is not involved in this. Vijay Nair is there, but Manish Sisodia is not in the part.
It's an
Now for
observation.
8 months, you have vilified the man.
Not you.
And in court
the
of
courts
law.
have kept him in jail. Courts have kept him in jail.
That's what I'm
Mr.
saying.
Modi
Don't jump to the
hasn't kept him in
conclusion.
jail.
That's what I'm
Courts have
saying.
kept him in jail.
That's what I'm
Is
saying.
the Supreme Court
That's
saying-
what I'm saying.
is the Supreme
Media
Court
and the
saying-
media and the critique and the analyst has to restrain themselves because our jurisprudence says unless you are proving guilty or innocent. Now we are trying to make them. We are
I
trying to-
agree with you, sir. Then he should also not
Nobody
be
is
proclaimed
pronouncing him
innocent.
guilty, but
No,
he
the
should not
whole
be
the whole
proclaimed
eco is
innocent.
here.
But the custodial
whole-
interrogation must
proclaimed
happen.
innocent.
Why do you call that a witch
I
hunt?
agree. I agree.
So he should be behind the
I
bar.
agree. I
There
agree.
should be custodial interrogation.
I agree.
right?
But how long?
For how long? Let's see. Till the
6
court
months?
gives him-
Can-
The
can-
court
can-
has
As long
said
as the
that
court
right
desires.
now there is a
Thursday.
need for
Hold on
sustained
a second.
custodial interrogation.
For how long?
This is the court saying, sir.
Karan, for how long?
Let's see.
For how long? For 3 years?
Till the investigation.
For 3 years?
So there are people who got bail also.
For 3 years?
Karan, give me Ashutosh. Give me a second. Give me a second now. Karan, will you repeat what the court said for Manish Sisodia?
For Manish Sisodia,
Please,
played the most important and vital role in the criminal conspiracy and has been deeply involved
When?
in the formulation
Which court?
as well.
Which court?
Judge Nagpal, CBI court, CBI court.
I'm talking about Supreme Court.
So Supreme Court is talking
I'm
about
talking
giving
about
evidence.
Supreme Court,
Sir, why are you mixing the two?
I'm talking about
Don't
Supreme
deliberately
Court.
mix the two. Don't deliberately
Okay,
mix
hold
it.
on. hold on.
आपके हिसाब से सीबीआई कोर्ट कोर्ट ही नहीं है, आपके हिसाब से नहीं, नहीं,
Sure,
more value.
no, but
no value.
but sir,
Supreme Court is
but sir, hold on a second.
Produce the money trails.
Hold on a second. You know, since we made this comparison.
CBI
Since
court
we
has
made-
denied him bail. Saying you are the chief architect. Supreme Court.
Now here's the thing.
Can be a more damning observation.
Okay, let's look at a matter of principle. Since you made that comparison, Padmaja might be an editor and there might be a reporter. But as long as both of us are scrupulous of facts, both of our opinions are just as important, which is not to say that if I am editor, my thinking is somehow in some way superior to what a reporter is saying. As long as the reporter is also...
According to you, unfortunately, the Supreme Court and the CBI court is at par with each other.
Yes, they are both interpreting the law, sir.
Whole judicial system will collapse.
Then we should
Whole
not.
judicial system will collapse.
But sir, then we shouldn't have lower judiciary.
And the life imprisonment, and Supreme Court has acquitted them.
Absolutely, but
That's
both
what I'm
of-
saying.
But sir, both of them are
So
interpreting the law.
you mean to say Mr. Narendra Modi is equal to Mr. R.P. Singh? That's what you are saying.
In
That's what you are saying.
adherence,
That Mr. Narendra Modi is equal to R.P. Singh.
Now can
in
I
adherence to constitution,
give me
in adherence to constitution, yes they are.
No.
In adherence to constitution,
Give me a
yes they
second.
are.
Into the rule of law.
Give me a second.
But who will believe Mr. Narendra Modi is at par with
Okay, let me ask a specific. Okay, hold on.
भाजपा में एक ही चीज सच है, चाहे टॉप का लीडर हो या नीचे का कार्यकर्ता हो, झूठ एक ही तरह से बोलते हैं।
Professor Saad just comes in the middle, he does one mirchi and then he walks away.
कोर्ट से फ्री होकर आया है, डीए केस में एक्विट होकर आया है, आपको नहीं मालूम है, आपको नहीं मालूम है, और सीबीआई लोअर कोर्ट है, ये भी आपको नहीं मालूम है।
Let's stick to facts over here. Let's stick to facts.
give me a second, sir, एक मिनट रुको यार, आशुतोष एक मिनट रुको, अरे एक मिनट नहीं, अरे सुनिए ना एक मिनट, अरे एक मिनट सुनिए, this is not fair.
No, we are
सुनिए,
Okay, let him respond. Let Mr. R.P. Singh respond. Let Mr. R.P. Singh respond.
No, has ED withdrawn the case after the court observation? ED will produce the evidence in the next hearing. ED will produce the evidence in the next hearing. Why do you bother about that? ED has right to produce the evidence in the next hearing. It's not the end of the case.
हेड को एक्सटेंशन मिलेगा तब तक समर्पण रहेगा।
आपने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली, पर प्रोफेसर साहब अब तो ईडी के हेड का एक्सटेंशन खत्म हो गया, ये तो नया ईडी हेड है, अब आपको एक नया केस पैरेट बोलना पड़ेगा।
ये पूरे देश को पता चल गया ना कि क्या कमिटमेंट था उनका।
सर होल्ड ऑन अ सेकंड,
ये हटेंगे दूसरा आएगा।
अच्छा चलिए,
अमित शाह जी ने कहा।
नया न्यू ईडी
जवाब
हेड।
भी मेरिट्स ऑफ द केस पे नहीं है।
So now,
अरे भाई सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज ऑब्जर्वेशन इज ऑन मेरिट।
No. But has a case? Has a case? Give me a second. Has a case been quashed? Has a case been quashed by the court? Has a case been quashed by the court? Has a case been quashed by the court? No. They said get evidence. Has they quashed the case?
I'm saying where is
Has they quashed the case? Has they quashed the case?
okay, gentlemen, this has become एक second.
एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल पूछा सिंह साहब, हेमंत बिश्वा शर्मा सीएम है, उनका केस क्वैश हो गया ईडी का?
बताइए।
हो गया क्वैश? आप ये बताएं कि वो पेंडिंग है कि क्वैश हो गया? जस्ट मिनट, वो क्वैश हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, मुझे ये बताएं। सुवेंदु अधिकारी अधिकारी के अगेंस्ट
Please, Dr. Jha.
सुनने की मत रखो।
Okay, you've asked us.
जवाब सुनिए ना।
एकदम शांति
अरे जवाब सुनिए ना, कहाँ शांति से बोल रहे हो आप? सुनिए।
70,000 करोड़ वाले हैं, उन पर
Okay, two questions have been asked, and I'm glad this has come because I wanted to make it beyond just Sanjay Singh and the Aam Aadmi Party. Again and again, you can keep shouting from rooftops, Mr. R.P. saying that, oh, ye bhi guilty hai, law will take its course, falan dhimaka. And they will keep asking, what about Ajit Pawar?
Yes.
What about Himanta Biswa Sarma?
Yes.
When will they be raided?
Okay, now let's talk about him.
क्वेश्चन हुई कि नहीं, ये सवाल है।
Thank you.
फाइल हुआ कि नहीं?
Okay, you've asked your question. Let him answer.
देखिए ये ना उत्तर सुनने को भी तैयार नहीं है। मदान, अरे सोनिया ना एक मिनट, मदान साहब आप वकील हैं, आई एम हायरिंग यू टुडे, आई गॉट माय चेक, आई इशू दिस चेक नाउ, ओके प्लीज। हाँ मैं दे दूंगा बिल्कुल। हाँ
Let me get the credit first.
मैं चेक, हाँ मैं सुनिए, आप बढ़िया से बढ़िया और वकील हायर करिए, कोर्ट में जाइए, केस जीतिए, फीस आपकी दूंगा मैं। एक मिनट, अगर हार गए तो दुगने लूंगा। सुन लीजिए आगे सुनिए। अरे एक मिनट रुकिए ना, अरे एक मिनट रुकिए, अरे बात तो पूरी करिए। बात अगली बात सुनिए। ही वाज, अरे एक मिनट रुकिए, ही वाज ए विटनेस, ही वाज कॉल्ड एज ए विटनेस, ही वाज ओनली कॉल्ड एज ए विटनेस इन द केस, ही वाज ओनली कॉल्ड एज ए विटनेस। और सुनिए अजीत पवार के मामले में
सर आप
Come to
प्रधानमंत्री
facts.
जी बोल रहे हैं।
Let him give
हमने
facts.
प्रधानमंत्री वाली बात भी
Hold on a second, hold on a
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने
second.
कहा अरे एनसीपी है, अजीत पवार, अरे सुनिए ना, हाँ
Can I
एनसीपी है
please
ना,
have silence?
एनसीपी के बड़े सारे नेता भी,
Okay.
शरद
Mr.
पवार भी
Singh,
उसी
Mr. Singh,
एनसीपी
Mr.
में,
Singh, Mr. Singh.
घबराइए
Mr. Singh, hold on.
अरे शरद पवार भी उसी
Gentlemen, I
एनसीपी में,
request you.
सुन
No, hold on a
लीजिए,
second.
और
No,
एक
sir, no. 30 seconds, answer on facts. Please don't engage in rhetoric.
नो
What about the case? Arey sir, please let him answer. I'm trying to get
ये
answers.
सुनना ही नहीं चाहते।
What about no? Just hold on a second. Specifically answer the case against Ajit Pawar, the case against.
Case was
Himanta Biswa Sarma.
investigated. Case was investigated. There's no charge sheet. His name is not in the charge sheet. As far as Ajit Pawar goes, I give a challenge on this. First, secondly,
Was the Prime Minister lying in
no. अरे एक मिनट सुनिए, अरे एक मिनट आशुतोष सुनिए पहले बात पूरी। प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कहा एनसीपी के मामले में कानून है। He never took a name of the person. He said, please check on this. We are here. It was about the NCP. हो सकता है एनसीपी के और बड़े नेता हो। पहली बात सुनिए, हिमंता बिस्वा शर्मा। अरे यार एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट आपने पीएम का नाम लिया, मैंने बोल दिया आपको। हिमंता
देवेंद्र
बिस्वा
फडणवीस
शर्मा
ने बोला था, देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने बोला
आपने पीएम की बात करी, इन्होंने पीएम की अरे सर इन्होंने पीएम की बात
Okay,
करी।
no heckling.
एक मिनट।
Himanta Biswa Sarma.
सुन लीजिए,
Himanta Biswa Sarma.
हिमंता बिस्वा शर्मा के केस में he was called as a witness, not as a criminal, not as a convict. Please check on this here for the debate.
In the Narda case.
हाँ, in the Narda case he was called as a witness. अरे पेपर हम थोड़ा बदल सकते हैं, कोर्ट तो सो रही है, आपके मामले में कोर्ट का फैसला है, कोर्ट का ऑब्जर्वेशन फैसला हो जाएगा आपके मामले में। अरे सिसोदिया के मामले में कोर्ट का ऑब्जर्वेशन फैसला हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पर कोर्ट ने फैसला दे दिया, उसको नहीं मानोगे आप। अरे आपके साथ तो थोड़ा चलेगा। और दूसरी बात, पर ये बताइए आप कैसे जो मूल बात पूछी जा रही है उसका जवाब अभी तक नहीं दे रहे। विवेक त्यागी को कैसे सेक दे दिए, ये मूल बात को उत्तर दे दें। विवेक त्यागी के पास क्या ऐसी कुब्बत थी कि उसको सेक दे दिया गया?
Okay, we will move beyond Vivek Tyagi. I want to ask like the broader question that we have come to. ये कह रहे हैं with challenge to Kapil Madan कि there is no conviction or charge sheet against Ajit Pawar and that Himanta Biswa Sarma also has no case against him as an accused. My question to you is, moving beyond that also, how is it that we decide guilt and innocence based on when it suits us? Let me remind you that Mr. Modi has also been given a clean sheet by the highest court of this country. The same court whose observations we are hanging on to today has in an order not only said that Mr. Modi is innocent, but has also said that Ms. Teesta Setalvad deliberately created the case in order to plunge the state of Gujarat into chaos. She is still celebrated as an activist. Mr. Modi is still called a criminal. How can we cherry pick court judgments depending on what our ideology is?
नहीं, वो तो आइडियोलॉजी के हिसाब से तो उनका सिर्फ एक ही काम है, देयर इज ओनली वन वर्क ऑफ बीजेपी, कि आपको चोर कहे।
अरे बीजेपी
और
में
आप
आपकी
कहिए-
बात कर रही हूं
हम
मैं।
आप ही की बात कर रहे हैं कि आप चोर कहिए और उसके बाद हम प्रूव करते रहें कि हम चोर कैसे नहीं है। दिस इज द सेम केस। आप कहते हो, मैंने तो अभी बोला उनको कि गुड़गांव में जिस मॉल का नाम लेकर तेजस्वी यादव को बदनाम किया गया, वो मॉल किसका है बताना चाहिए ना सीबीआई को। नंबर एक, नंबर दो सुन लीजिए, नंबर दो, दूसरा चीज, जिस लैंड फोर जॉब्स का बात करते हैं आप, उसमें तेजस्वी यादव जिस समय नाबालिग थे और मेन चार्जशीट नाम नहीं था, सप्लीमेंट्री चार्जशीट क्यों दायर किया गया? उसके बाद क्या उनको पॉलिटिकल कन्वीनियंस है भारतीय जनता पार्टी को कि जब तक हमारी बात नहीं सुनेंगे, जो कि पूरा देश ने देखा है कि जब तक उनके बात नहीं सुनते हैं परेशान करते हैं, जैसे उनके खेमे में आ जाते हैं पेपर भी बदल जाता है। कभी था ही नहीं, अजीत पवार जी कभी नहीं थे, हेमंत बिस्वा जी कभी नहीं थे। ये जो चेंज ऑफ एविडेंस, क्या सरकार ये सब काम कर रही है अपने कन्वीनियंस के लिए?
बट ऑन दी अदर हैंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने बोला है कि केसीआर उनके पास आए थे, केसीआर से साठगांठ करके तेलंगाना में उनका फुटप्रिंट ऑलरेडी है और बड़ा कर सकते हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि क्योंकि करप्शन है मैंने साठगांठ नहीं की।
अरे प्रधानमंत्री तो ये भी कहते हैं कि जात पात इंडिया वालों ने बनाया। इतना झूठ बोलना शोभा देता है क्या प्रधानमंत्री को? वही मोहन भागवत जो उनके पीछे खड़े हैं चट्टानी एकता के खिलाफ, वो कहते हैं 2500 साल से हम इन मानवों के साथ जानवर के तरह व्यवहार कर रहे हैं, 200 साल तक भेदभाव का जवाब देना पड़ेगा। ये बात पब्लिक इमेज, पब्लिक लेयर में कहना और वो भी झूठ कहना इस तरह का, वो शोभा नहीं देता है।
Now let me ask you a final question. आप ये बताइए डॉक्टर साहब, नहीं हम बताइए।
सुनिए सर, अरे सुन लीजिए ना, अरे मॉल का बता देता हूँ ना आपको। अरे सुन लीजिए मॉल, अरे आप देखिए मॉल नहीं सुनेंगे ना, ये
आपके पास जवाब,
अब ये मॉल नहीं सुनेंगे।
आप बताइए किसका है?
अरे सुन तो लीजिए। अरे
तेजस्वी जी का तो नहीं है ना?
अरे सर बोलने दीजिए ना प्लीज, बोल दीजिए, जल्दी से बोल दीजिए।
तेजस्वी जी का
बीच में बोल दो। अच्छा ये बताइए, आपने कहा तेजस्वी जी तब उम्र नाबालिग थे इसलिए नहीं के, इसलिए सप्लीमेंट्री रहा, बाद में सप्लीमेंट्री जोड़े, इसलिए क्योंकि वो बालिग हुए तभी तो सप्लीमेंट्री जोड़ेंगे ना जी, इसलिए जोड़ी, क्योंकि जब बालिग हुए तभी उन पर मुकदमा, परंतु वो मुख्यमंत्री के बेटे थे, एक मिनट सुन लीजिए, मुख्यमंत्री के बेटे थे, इसलिए कई लोगों की लंबी सूची है जिन्होंने कहा हमसे जमीन ली, और अगर ऐसे ही मामला तो एक मिनट किए तो कल जाकर केस अरे कोर्ट में जाकर मुकदमा खारिज क्यों नहीं कराया आपने? अरे मुकदमा खारिज क्यों नहीं कराया आपने? मुकदमा खारिज क्यों नहीं कराया? कल कोर्ट में बेल क्यों ली? अरे कोर्ट में जाकर बेल क्यों मांगी, खारिज क्यों नहीं कराया आपने? अरे बेल क्यों ली, खारिज क्यों नहीं कराया मुकदमा?
सर वही क्वालिटी है जिससे तेज प्रताप जी एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर हैं बिहार के, छोड़ दीजिए ना उस बात को।
आप देखिए पब्लिक
चलिए कोई बात
भी आप सवाल उठाएंगे।
नहीं पब्लिक मैंडेट छोड़िए छोड़िए।
फर्स्ट टाइम प्राइम मिनिस्टर एमपी बने, फर्स्ट टाइम शाह जी एमपी बने, फर्स्ट टाइम प्रधानमंत्री बन जाते हैं, आप उन पे सवाल नहीं उठाते हैं क्या?
लेट मी आस्क यू अ स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन। अगर हम कोर्ट्स के जजमेंट को सेलेक्टिवली पिक कर रहे हैं, हम लोग आज सब कह रहे हैं कि चलिए वेरी बिग question in front of the enforcement directorate, because in the case of Manish Sisodia very strict questions have been asked of them. Going by the same logic, let me ask all of you, are you saying that Mr. Narendra Modi is innocent and had no role to play in the 2002 riots? Will you say it as the official spokesperson of RJD?
पूरा देश जानता है, किसी को कहने की जरूरत है?
हाँ या ना?
प्रधानमंत्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी,
अरे हाँ या ना बोलिए ना,
आप बता दीजिए।
आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट को मानते हैं,
एविडेंस जो दे रहा है उस एपिसोड को चलने नहीं देते हैं।
सर आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट को मानते हैं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्लीन चिट दी है।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट तो डीए केस में क्लीन चिट लालू जी को भी दिया, आप किस आधार पे कहते हैं चारा चोर? बताइए पूरा
उस आधार पे जिसमें लोअर कोर्ट में उनको कन्विक्ट किया
है ना। लोअर कोर्ट में अभी तक 9 साल में अभी तक पूरा जजमेंट क्यों नहीं दिया है?
All right, I am just going to give the final word to Karan Verma and Ashutosh ji because they are the non-political voices. Ashutosh, by all means you are right in saying that people are innocent until proven guilty, but they are also not innocent, in the public sphere till the time the case gets over. Then how can we determine at this point that all of the actions are the result of a witch hunt?
I'm only saying till he or she is convicted. Let's restrain ourselves in pronouncing judgments. The problem is when we start pronouncing judgment that he's a criminal, he's a corrupt fellow, he's something like that. The issue is you are in public life. Obviously, if there are certain allegations, you have to answer that allegation and you have to face those allegations. But people who are in the important position, who are holding a position in the media and other places, they should hold their observation in saying, you say that yes, you are accused of it. These are the allegations. Please prove that. When you start saying, but whatever the investigating agency is saying, if you start believing as the gospel truth, then the problem lies.
Can I ask a counter question?
Yeah.
Politically, we are confusing political rhetoric. Yes, the BJP is saying कि ये चोर है, आम आदमी पार्टी चोर है. Okay, चलिए, हम भी कह रहे, चलिए. But by the way, we are only stating the facts. Nobody is pronouncing innocence or guilt. That being said, अरविंद केजरीवाल भी तो कह रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल रेटरिक वो भी कर रहे हैं. He is saying कट्टर ईमानदार. How does he know? But there is evidence. How does he know कट्टर ईमानदार?
एक बात जोड़ दूं.
Let him answer. My counter question. Let him answer. How does he know Kattar Imandar? He has given certificate of innocence while the case is on.
See, whatever is political rhetoric, let's keep that here. I'm only saying it. What Arvind Kejriwal is saying is responsible for that. What is happening in the eyes of law? What is happening by what is done by investigating agencies? We who are in the responsible position should restrain ourselves in pronouncing judge. That's my limited point. And you know why I'm saying so? Why I'm saying so? Because the Aam Aadmi Party's more than 24 MLAs and leaders, they were put behind the bar. And most of them has got clean chit from the court. Most of them has got clean chit.
Okay.
But in the eyes of public, you defend them.
Please. अभी सॉरी एक मिनट. अभी अरविंद केजरीवाल ने थोड़े दिन पहले क्या कहा था? वो कोई एक पकड़ा गया वहां पर नशे के चक्कर में खेरा को लेकर. He has already accused him of it. I mean, it's not. There are 4 more ministers who were sent behind bar, including one deputy CM is still in jail because of corruption case. तो वो ठीक है, वहाँ ठीक है सब, वहाँ parliament.
Okay, only 30 seconds, Kapil Madan, then 30 seconds.
सर जी अमित शाह भी जेल में थे.
इसी बात बोलूंगा रिस्पॉन्सिबली बोलूंगा, अगर झूठ बोलना एक स्पोर्ट हो तो बीजेपी हर बार उसमें गोल्ड मेडल लेके आया। अभी इन्होंने बोला कि हेमंत बिश्व शर्मा को एज अ विटनेस बुलाया, देयर इज अ रिपोर्ट, उनके यहाँ रेड हुई, उनके ऊपर एलिगेशन थे श्रद्धा स्कैम में, जिनमें उन्होंने 20 लाख रुपए के एलिगेशन है। इट इज देयर इन द रिपोर्ट, पब्लिकली देयर इन द रिपोर्ट, पब्लिकली देयर इन द रिपोर्ट। सो नो you said you repeat what Mr. R.P. Singh said. No, you repeat. No,
I'm issuing you a check today. I'm issuing you a check today. Please go and fight the case. Otherwise, pay me a double money.
I think this is the perfect point to put that final question to you, Karan Verma.
CBI grills.
All right, CBI grills Himanta Biswa Sarma. The final question to you is this. By all means, go after those who are corrupt. But just take a look at the last week. RJD, DMK, BRS, Congress. Surely the BJP can find somebody who is corrupt in the BJP. The ED can find somebody. Or is are all the corrupt people in INDI and all the good people in BJP?
There are 7 cases which are currently on BJP and its aides also. And Padmaja, let me tell you, leave aside these 9-10 years. BJP has always been in a minority as far as corruption is concerned. You trace back the history right from 1947, from Jansangh to BJP days, right from 1980. BJP, you can hardly count 1 or 2 or maybe 5 scams at best. It's the other party that has always been in a majority. Call it Bofors, call it 2G, all these scams, Jeep scam, right from there. So BJP has always been in a minority. I believe that the agencies should be impartial. They were all in denial of Partha Chatterjee. What happened in Partha Chatterjee? Arvind Kejriwal said, yes, he must face the investigation. Congress, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says it led to Mamata Banerjee. It was Ajay Makan who was one of the initial complainants in the liquor scam. So where is this opposition unity? Fact is they are all united by corruption and all they can cry data. That's all they can do.
Unfortunately, Bangaru Lakshman was the president of the Congress party. Yes, Bangaru Lakshman, and Judev.
Give me
And Judev, both of them were caught on camera accepting money.
Yes, they were. Yes, they were.
You admitted Butta Singh, you admitted Sobra.
They cannot make more than 5 cases of BJP. I can make them count 75 cases of Congress. We can do an A to Z from others to Commonwealth to Kochi. We can do a whole litany. But for BJP, they'll not be able to count more than 5, and it's the same in the last 10 years as well.
Okay, let me just end this because
powers with the Congress.
Because
Please cross 5.
I think it is pretty clear that this is going to be the overarching theme. Yes, there is going to be issues of Sanatan, of Ram Mandir, etc. But just remember what the Prime Minister said in Telangana, where he said that I don't want to sit next to people who are corrupt because they cannot take the heat of my anti-corruption drive. He's made it very clear what the thrust of this government is going to be. The opposition and INDIA are also taking up the challenge on that. That being said, let me leave you with a statistic. Between 2004 and 2014, the number of cases that were being investigated by various agencies at the center, 55% of those cases were against the opposition parties and opposition leaders. Between 2014 and 2023, that figure has crossed to 93%. 93%. That is the statistic I want to end with. Thanks very much, all gentlemen, for joining me on the National Debate.
Thank you.